Did you know this?
25 things you didn't know in 5 minutes. Did you know in this video you can see a rare encounter with a wide-mouthed shark or basking shark on the coasts of Indonesia? Since its discovery in 1976, fewer than 100 specimens have been observed. Cork floors and boards, as well as wine corks, are made using the bark of the cork tree, which does not require cutting down the tree. The bark is extracted, and it begins to regenerate rapidly to be harvested every 7 years. Cork cope trees do not suffer damage, making them a sustainable resource. These are the defensive movements a snake makes when it feels threatened. These can include hissing, coiling, and striking, showcasing their unique adaptations for self-preservation. The mesmerizing dance of a snake's body reflects the intricate balance between survival instincts and the intricacies of the natural world. This is a recreation of the cake from the movie Sleeping Beauty from 1959. Occasionally, fossils turn into opals instead of stones, creating beautiful fossilized opals. This was the tooth of a predator, now resembling a jewel. This is not a Pokemon. Its scientific name is Meganeura, a giant insect that can measure over 30 centimeters long. The Naga Hardware Diner, a restaurant in Okinawa, Japan, is built on an artificial tree. Despite not being real, it surprises tourists as it is located more than 20 meters above the ground. The marker in the middle of the Amazon marks the equator, the imaginary line dividing the Earth in half. Residents of the German islands and their guests can travel on local railroad tracks in their own personal trains. Drivers must be at least 15 years old and have a moped license. The stunning virtual waterfall at Salesforce in San Francisco was created using a 32 by 4.5 meter LED screen with a resolution of 8,112 by 960 pixels. The Giant of Atacama is a figure 119 meters long located in the Atacama Desert, Chile. It is one of almost 5,000 geoglyphs discovered in this place over the last 3 decades. It is said to be the largest historical representation of a human in the world. These are called prehensile feet, a genetic trait from ancestral features, such as in primates. It is rare in humans, presenting in very few individuals with different characteristics. Bird bones are pneumatic, meaning they have large air-filled cavities. This makes them much lighter and improves their oxygenation during flight. In some regions of Africa and South America, soldier ant mandibles are used as sutures. The technique involves placing the ant at the edge of the wound, and their strong bite acts like a staple. Hot air is less dense than cold air, causing it to rise. This phenomenon, known as the death veil, occurs in Antarctica as freshly baked bread warms the air inside the bag, making it float. As seawater freezes in polar oceans, concentrated brine is expelled from sea ice, creating a descending flow of extremely cold, dense water. King penguin chicks resemble an angry kiwi. Their endearing yet comical appearance showcases nature's quirky sense of design. Despite the initial fierceness, these adorable chicks become majestic rulers of the Antarctic as they mature into full-grown penguins. This is how a single sperm is selected and injected directly into an egg using a thin glass needle. During World War II, a Dutch ship invaded the Japanese for 8 days, disguised as islands. They covered their decks with cut trees and painted exposed surfaces to look like rocks. They moved only at night near the coast. This marine slug can detach its head from its body, similar to a car removing its top. It then regenerates a new fully functional body from its neck. This is a rare and unusual transparent-headed octopus called Wonderpus photogenicus. It was captured by experienced deep-sea photographer Wiggins Ent. The species is still less studied compared to other octopuses and lives in the coastal waters of the Pacific Ocean, south of the Philippines. The phenomenon known as the velvet tamarind occurs when a fruit pod explodes and releases its seeds with a loud bang. This happens due to the buildup of internal pressure within the pod. In the animal kingdom, the mimic octopus has the ability to imitate the appearance and behaviors of other sea creatures, such as lionfish and flatfish, to avoid predators. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer, due to the expansion of the iron structure caused by the heat. Some species of fungi, like the cordyceps, have the ability to infect insects and take control of their behavior. The fungus manipulates the insect to climb to an elevated position before releasing spores. There you have it, folks. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more interesting content. Thanks for watching.